Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Did all the souls that were in the spiritual sky fall out of the spiritual sky at once or at different times, or are there any souls that are always good, they're not foolish?
No, there are majority, 90%, they're always good. They never fall down.
So we're among the 10%.
Yeah.
Or
less than that. In the material, whole material world, all the living entities, they're just like in the prison house. There are some population, but they are not majority. The majority of the population, they are outside the prison. Similarly, majority of living beings, part and parcel of God, they are in the spiritual world. Only a few falls down.
Does Krishna know ahead of time that the soul is going to be foolish and fall?
Krishna? Yes, Krishna may know, because he is omniscient.
Are more souls falling all the time?
Not all the time, but there is the tendency of fall down. Not for all, but because there is independence. Everyone is not liking to misuse the independence. The same example. Just like a government constructing a city and constructs also prison house. Because the government knows that somebody will be criminal. So their shelter must be also constructed. It is very easy to understand. Not that 10% population will be criminal. But government knows that some of them will be. Otherwise, why they construct prison house also? One may say, where is the criminal you are constructing? The government knows, no, there will be criminal. So if the ordinary government can know, why God cannot know? Because there is tendency.
The origin of that tendency is?
Yes.
From where does that tendency come?
Tendency means the independence. So, everyone can know that independence means one can use it properly, one can misuse it. That is independence. If you make it one way only, that you cannot become held down, that is not independence. That is force. Therefore, Krishna says, Jatechasi tatha kuru. Now you do whatever you like.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,